change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Hi guys, good morning. So Friday ngayon. And ang assignment today is 1 hour and 20 minutes.
So yun, easier lang. Try natin mag-gel in betweens.
Yeah, kasi nung mga nakaraang runs namin, 1 hour, pagod na ako. Sabi ni coach, 45-minute mark.
Gel.
Gel tayo. Let's go.
You've been living the life I've been looking for. You can take all the time, I'll be back for more. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We're trying. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We've been living a lie that we can't ignore. So please take all the time, I won't let you go. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We're trying. Put your hands up. We've gotta live a little. I wanna go, wanna go.
Nakatapos ko lang ng 120 run. Dito naman tayo sa aquatic. Hindi ko alam kung makakasim ako.
Para sa aming swim training. Good job, Ber.
Yeah, thank you very much. Nakaiyak. Mga bagets na to.
Where you hide all the love you've been given. Take me back where we started. 'Cause here we stand, broken hearted. Only time will tell if you and me are meant to be. You've been living the life I've been looking for. You can take all the time, I'll be back for more. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We're trying. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We've been living a lie that we can't ignore. So please take all the time, I won't let you go. Put your hands up, put your hands up. We're trying.
Morning guys! So ngayon, after training namin, kukunin na natin ang pre-order nating iPhone.
Finally!
Yeah, iPhone 17 Pro Max fully charged. So yun ang kukunin natin ngayon dito sa Digital Walker Evia. Samahan niyo kami.
Yeah, let's go!
Let's go!
Alam niyo ba, guys, kung ano yung pinanggalingan niyang phone? Ano nga ba yun?
Samsung
Samsung, di ko na alam anong letter.
A52s.
Samsung A52s. So, deserve niya talaga yan. Ay, nako.
Deserve.
14, 15, 16, at least 17.
14, forever and ever. Ayan po talaga yung excited guys. Yan. Yung batang yan.
Para makapag, tayo, airdrop. No share it no more. Excited ka na, Ber? Yeah, first iPhone niya ever. Sana magamit niya, magustuhan niya.
Ano magamit ang burger ko talaga.
Malamang, gamit ko talaga.
Sinong batang excited?
Yun ang kulang. Unboxing! Let's go. Oh my God, ang ganda! Ang ganda. Ganda? Ang ganda, be.
Okay din pala yung deep blue.
Yeah.
Kasi ito.
May charger na rin kasama. The iconic.
Kanina nilagyan niyo.
Ikakabit natin ng mag-isa.
Ang ganda, be.
Nang walang
Ang ganda yung deep blue, be. Labas natin yung mga... So, may iPhone tayo.
ito po yung
With
Ano yan?
tempered
And
eye case. Electric fan.
camera.
With camera lens. Tempered glass.
iPhone stand.
iPhone stand and card holder. Wow. Marsha! Ganda ng phone mo, baby. Naingit ako. Bagay sa'yo.
Okay.
Bilang Android user for the longest time.
Kasi gawa ka eh.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Hindi ko in-expect na maganda siya. Set up later.
Isang physical SIM, isang eSIM. Thank you. Aspiring.
Feeler.
Feeling vlogger. Uy, the first picture.
Ganda guys. Akala ko hindi maganda, pero para siyang deep purple. Record ko kayo using iPhone. Ang linaw, grabe. 1, 2, 3. Nag-record ko.
Thank you, Berber.
Card holder plus iPhone stand. Tingnan natin. Ito itsura niya. Ah, inalaglag. So, ganito itsura niya. Ito yung card holder. If I'm not mistaken, dito nilalagay yung cards. Try natin kung didikit. Oh. Ah, ganito kasi. Nakita niyo yun? Yeah.
Ah, pina-fold.
Kung manonood kayo, vlog or what, meron na agad. Try natin kung mapupunta sa atin ng Marshall. Check natin kung anong itsura. Gusto niyo yung ako'y talaga yung nag-unbox. Tadaan! Bagay na bagay sa akin. So, yung itsura niya is ganito, pag inopen mo with a box. So, ganito. Wow! Ganda sa akin, River ko. Sorry, hindi ko kayo marinig. So, pwedeng wired or wireless. Wow! Wow, wow. Sir, may mic din ba to? I mean, may mic yung Bluetooth. Wow! Panglaro, be. Try mo, try mo. Ka dito, sabi ka sa camera. Di ba natuwa siya?
Lakas.
Uy, gusto ko ito iuwi. Kahit 3 days lang. Ang saya. Sarap pag-workout. Pati ba ito pang workout? Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. Ito, nakuha na namin. iPhone check. Yeah. Test vlog to guys. Gamit ang iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Na naka-horizontal.
Horizontal, yan.
Kasi yun yung parang inaano nila eh. Wina-market nila na instant from portrait
To landscape.
landscape.
Yan. So ngayon, kakain kami Marugami Udon sa ATC.
Let's lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
After mag-lunch sa Marugame, juice daw muna siya. Jamba juice. Tapos kunin natin ang aming Garmin apparel.
Now